Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Trust Wallet application and make sure that you're signed in. Tap on the dApps option at the bottom of this page and scroll down until you find the PancakeSwap option. Once you do, give it a tap and you'll be able to open up a new page with a PancakeSwap logo and some information. Tap on the connect button at the bottom and that way you'll be able to open up PancakeSwap and you have successfully connected your Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.